In this video, I'm going to show you how to send large files from your phone to your computer. So if you want to go and send a large file such as a video or a document from your mobile phone to your laptop, then the first thing we need to do is just open up the App Store on your mobile device. In the search box, just type in the word Drive and hit search. Now you want to go and download and install the Google Drive application. Once you've installed this, you can simply click on open and that should go and open up the Google Drive. Now you'll need to sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. And once you're signed in, click on the plus icon in the bottom right hand side of the screen and select upload file. Now select photos and videos, click on select more photos and then just go and select the video or the photo that you want to go and upload. Once you've selected it, we can click on done in the top right hand side, click on recents and then go and select the photo or video and press upload. Now once you've uploaded your file to the Google Drive, you can simply open up an internet browser on your computer, make sure you're signed in to your Google account and then click on the square icon in the top right hand side, click on Drive, in the left hand navigation click on recent and you should be able to find that file that we just uploaded, and from here we can click on the three vertical dots and select download. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you send large files from your phone to your computer. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.